It's showtime. I'm back. It's your boy Vinny, aka Mr. Grown Man. You know what it is, founder of Grown Man Inc. Facebook, what's up, man? Just want to take the time to chat with you, give you some more explanations as far as what's going down. June 26th at Wing Time. You know we got Mr. American Idol, Ruben Studdard gonna be in the building. Alongside with him, we're bringing Allison Williams and Trey Williams, two outstanding performers. So definitely get a chance to look at the videos that I'm posting up on the page. Um, this right here, we're calling it the first annual Tropical Affair. And it's going to be real live and real major. Hold on a minute. Give you more detail about that. Yo, shout out to BlackBerry, yo, because they're increasing my life right now. But yeah, back to this wing time. You know, we got VIP tables, man. We're doing $40 to reserve a table, $20 admission. Uh, Take it to the next big step for all y'all big baller shot callers out here. You know what I'm talking about? Uh, $60 for the VIP table. Seats 8 people. You're gonna get your picture taken in a group with Ruben Studdard. You also gonna get your autographed CDs. You know, your baller status. You might even get sit next. You know, can be able to sit next to me? You know, me Studdard. You know what I mean? Thinking about myself. I'm just joking. But no, we want to keep it real grown, real sexy, real official, real live, and full of energy. So that's where the colors come to play. Pull out your brightest colors. I mean, this is what it's about. It's about being seen. You know, we're not doing the all white. We're not doing the all black. We're not doing the pink and chocolate, etc., 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 etc. If you want to be you, you be you. You know what I mean? This is what this is all about. It's giving back to Charleston in a new light, something that hasn't been done yet, and we're looking into breaking many different errors. I don't know if you know, but last February we had Lacey and Labrado down. Make sure you check those pictures out. I'm posting them as well. Crazy pack, and I can tell you right now, it's been building ever since. So this one here, looking to smash it, and stay tuned because we got Lacey coming back down in July. But after July, me and Hollywood had a talk today, and it's going to get crucial. I'm telling you. I just want to take the time to chat with you real quick. Ladies, I love you. You know what I mean? Just keep on doing y'all diva strike. Fellas, big ups, much love, much respect. Keep handling your manly business in Charleston. Want to rise to another level. Don't be let down just yet. We're about to turn it up. Shout out to all the DJs out here. Shout out to all the club owners. Shout out to all the radio stations. Shout out to Charleston. Y'all know how I say it the best. 843, Mr. Grown Man, up at like 3:43. About to take little man to school and like little summer camp in some hours. So I'm gonna close my eyes. It was a wonderful time being able to chat with you. Uh, you know what to do. Peace up. Now we ain't doing the 8 town down thing. We from the chat. Deuces.